Hello everyone, welcome back to Scott's Honest Reviews. If you're interested in this product, I'll put a link in the video description. So this is a gigantic comb, and you can use this for many different applications. We're actually going to use it for our Sheltie dog to brush out her fur. It's the perfect size and it's going to work so good. Yeah, you like that? So this is perfect for getting her mats out. Yeah, and she even likes it. Wow. Yeah, you like that, Emma? Yeah. Look how nice it gets her fur. Look at that. And it's almost calming for her. So if you are interested, there will be a link in the video description. But you guys can use this for many different uses.